Hey guys, today we're in Egypt and we're going to be talking about energy and momentum. First, I'm going to be talking about energy and then my buddy will be talking about momentum. Anyways, the simplest definition of energy is the ability to do work. Energy is how things change or move. It's everywhere around us and takes all sorts of forms. It takes energy to cook food, or to either drive a camel, or to jump in the air like me. There are different types or forms of energy. There are chemical, electrical, gravitational, heat, light, motion, nuclear, and potential. And the units of the measure for energy is J, which stands for joules. Two types of energy I want to specifically talk about are kinetic and potential energy. As you can see in the background, we have a horse. This horse is said to have kinetic energy since it is moving. Kinetic means moving. It also has potential energy because it has energy that is stored due to the position of the object. Also, if I try to push the horse, or if I try to lift it up, I'm applying a force, which means I am doing work. The work that I have applied to the horse added energy. Once the horse moves or is in a different position since I pushed it, we would say that the increased energy that was stored in the horse is the potential energy. Now, my buddy here is going to be talking about momentum. What's up, man?
What is momentum? Momentum is a directional force and is an indication of how hard it would be to stop an object. When you throw a ball at someone and it hits them hard, it hurts because it was difficult to stop. If you throw a small ball and a large ball at the same speed, the large ball will hit a person with a greater momentum, be harder to stop, and hurt more. A bullet is an example of an object with a very small mass that has a lot of momentum because it is moving very quickly. Bullets are therefore difficult to stop. When two objects bump into each other, this is called a collision. In physics, a collision doesn't have to involve an accident like two cars crashing into each other, but can be any event where two or more moving objects exert forces on each other for a short period of time. For example, one ball striking another on a pool table, a baseball hitting a ball, your fingers striking the key on the momentum of an object will never change if it's left alone. The law of conservation of momentum tells us that you can't just lose momentum, it has to go somewhere. If a thing gets bigger, like a snowball rolling down a hill, then it gains more momentum. If a thing gets smaller, so that it has less mass, then it has to spin faster so it has the same total momentum. To recap, momentum is an indication of how strong a moving object is. The greater the mass and velocity, the more momentum an object has.
Alright guys, I just want to thank you for coming down and listening to us all the way to Egypt for some physics lessons. See ya!